Welcome to Mangrove Crossing, a brand new 55-lot subdivision here on Ambergris Caye. Yes, we are on the north part of the island, about 14 miles north of San Pedro town and 1 mile west in this beautiful area that is so unlike anywhere else on the island. This 10-acre subdivision is located 1 mile from the ocean and about an hour and a half from the heart of San Pedro town. As you can tell, it is unlike anything within San Pedro. So if you are someone who is looking for a buy and hold, perhaps a long-term investment, I'd say at least 7 years, or perhaps you're somebody who's looking for more of a homestead, live off the land, live off grid, be able to put in your gardens, be able to grow your own fruits and vegetables, then this may be a place that you want to consider. We accessed Mangrove Crossing via golf cart, as you may be able to see behind me. So yes, there is road access here already. And also the developer is willing to do financing. So starting under $47,000 for the first phase, the developer will offer attractive financing, and he'll also consider cash specials. So if you're somebody who's looking to get in at ground level before this area really starts to grow, before we see even more development heading in the northward direction, this is the time to become a part of the property. For more information about Mangrove Crossing, make sure you're scanning the QR code above, or you're emailing us info@lunarealtybelize.com, info@lunarealtybelize.com. We'll put that info in the description below as well, and make sure you're liking and subscribing to get all of the information ahead of everybody else. Thanks, everyone.